Hey Shalom, good morning. Sister Kate here. Sukkot is over and it is back to chores and the regular schedule. Fall is now upon us. Leaves are starting to change. Projects, different projects step into the picture. I'm just going up and letting my chickens and my ducks out. This is not an impressive situation. It's always a little bit messy. And today I have a few new guests who are only here to visit, to also take care of. And I'm happy to say they're doing okay. I'll introduce you to these guys and gals if I can get them in the picture. Those are some Toulouse geese that we found on Craigslist and bought, but we're gifting them to someone, so they won't be staying here. I'd eventually love to have geese. We just now got our ducks up. Got a whole bunch of ducks, and my project picture that I posted last night. Hi girls! Was a new duck house. It's a hoop coop, and I've seen it before, but my son has a one or two up in his area for his birds, and then one of the Shofarians, Sister Melissa and Sister Tony, also built one. And so during Sukkot, one of the things we did was Sister Melissa and Tony helped start mine, and then look who's coming to visit. What's up, guys? What are you doing, huh? You heard the sound of the grain and you came a-running? Huh? Those are my daughter's chickens. And they know what grain is, and they hear me feeding my chickens, and so they run over and they start eating our food, which, there's enough stuff that they can eat on shofar without having grain, but I just really like to support my birds and keep them in tip-top shape. So they help take care of me. Anyway, got a couple of exciting things happening. I'm this close to launching my t-shirt campaign. I've got the design. I'm really excited about it, and it's specifically and exclusively for you all. It is based on crew, as you all decided to call yourself, so the t-shirt is along that theme. I've made sure the design is something of quality. It's not just what do you call it? Nuts. It's complex. It's more than just a couple of letters on a shirt. I put some thought into the design, and I'm really excited about it. So that's coming up as soon as we get the last little details sorted out. I will post that, and it's going to be a short campaign. It's going to be, a limited time. And after that, the shirts will not be available until a specified time after that. I wonder where I learned how to do all that. If you follow my husband's channel, Viking Preparedness, yeah, I know I'm moving around a lot. I do move around a lot when I'm feeding and watering the animals. I could set this down, and I might later, but I don't have the right tool for that right now. Got the short tripod, not the long tripod. Anyway, my goal is to get a copy of the shirt so that I can show you what it is, and then if y'all want to order it, I'll make it available, and then you can order it for yourselves. So that's kind of exciting. The new duck house was exciting. And now I've got to think about, I've still got some vegetables in my garden. I'd like to pick up some fruit and some tomatoes and things like that. Get that taken care of. I'd like to put down new straw in all the outdoor pens like that goose pen. I'd like to continue to plant grass. I've planted some clover and some rye in areas where I had cleared out that Korean sesame. Maybe I can do this for just a minute. There. The Korean sesame. So you can't even see my face. There we go. All this stuff, all this technical stuff, it makes a difference in videos. Where you set the camera, having some light on your face so you guys can see me and hear me. People get the microphones and so on. Anyway, I've also got to wash all the dishes from Sukkot because I used a lot of paper plates and things, but there are dishes in my house that are, you know, three days old that need washing. I need to change our clothes out. We've got, you know, our winter kind of clothes, and then we still have all our summer clothes, and the temperatures are changing. Temperature is about 10 to 15 degrees cooler today than it was yesterday. So we need to get our bins of clothes out. I need to put all the summer clothes away, make sure they're folded, make sure they're clean. So we're just busy, busy, busy. And then there's the whole political thing going on. We're what, 23 days out from the election. The press is trying to push Trump's tax returns, and I just want you to know that there's no constitutional requirement for any president to reveal his tax returns. I saw a post on Twitter where someone said the citizens have a right to see those tax returns. No, they don't. But if that person puts it on Twitter, then people read that, and in their minds they think, yeah, I have a right to that information. Why is this not forthcoming? That's politics. That's creating something, an advantage to your side by using not facts, guys. Not facts. It's not a fact that you have a right to the tax return. You don't. But they'll push that. That's why people like Trump call the news fake news. They create these political situations, which is just, you know, impressions to make their candidate look better or your candidate look worse. That's why you need to get the facts. Facts are important. That's how you make your decision. Facts. Don't make your decision based on fake news. So that's coming up, and then October is the month in which the pandemic in 1918 mutated and turned very deadly. The mutated influenza virus could kill you within 12 hours of when you got it. So it really became virulent. That's what that word means. It means, you know, like serious. And I posted, or maybe I didn't post, but I saw on the news that America is now back up to 50,000 cases being reported a day, which it hasn't been since August. And so I'm still keeping my eye on the numbers. I'm still following along. I don't know what this pandemic's going to do, but I personally am not convinced that we're finished with it yet. So I'm still remaining cautious. And I hope to have a live stream soon. I miss talking to you all. I see that you comment on some of the videos and the posts I make. I appreciate that, but I miss you. I miss being able to hear what's going on with y'all and to have that give and take. So hopefully I can carve out a niche soon and do a live stream. All right, I need to get to the rest of the animals. Bless you so much. Shalom.